Hey everybody, Rick Tallman here with Window Film Revolution again. I've got I believe this is a 96 Chevrolet Impala SS. I'm just going to show how I shrink the window on this. Instead of doing a normal H pattern down the center, I still do an H pattern, but I do it way up here because there's not much shrinking here. So I just put the H, I put my part right here where I lock it down. And if you'll look, this window actually does like a lot of those older Chevy products do. It comes down and kind of comes back out like this. So there's like a little flare here on the bottom. So when I lay this film out, what I do is I'll take something and I'll go ahead and get all of this flat. Now, this can actually, if you just shrunk this and didn't even worry about this, this could be installed just like it is. If you ever go to SEMA, or if you go to the International Window Film Competition, you can actually go to the booth at Lumar, and they've got a speed demonstration on shrinking. Well, if you only shrink around here and you only shrink just a little bit there, you'll see what I'm talking about. But if you'll notice, from here to here, it's just all jacked up looking. So you want to get this as close to a normal finger as possible, but you don't have to make it perfect. And I'll start shrinking a little, probably about up to here at the bottom, and I'll start working down. So I'll just show you how I do it. Like I say, regular H pattern, except you make the horizontal part of the H way up here. I really don't want to lay this film like this, because when you get it on the inside, you're going to have to fight it. I mean, there's really no reason why you can't get it laying flat right now. So like I said, I'll just basically heat, and I'm starting from the bottom going up. And this is all super, super simple. It really doesn't take a whole lot of shrinking. And instead of just doing like one quadrant at a time, I just do the whole bottom, and then I start with the top, where I'll start up here and start working down. And for me, this just makes the install a lot easier. I'll go with just a hair bit higher. That's already pretty much up there. Alright, and now I just I'm just looking to see what we're looking like up here. Really all the distortion only comes up to about here, so I'm gonna start shrinking right in that area. Now this is almost a hybrid of a balloon shrink. And believe it or not, that's pretty much shrunk and ready to roll. So this will all lay out with no problem. So let me go ahead and knock this out at the top real fast. Get to this other side. And this is already just about shrunk out also. Basically all I'm looking for now is I'm looking for everything to go left and right instead of up and down. Once it goes left and right, you're good to go. And you shouldn't need to shrink anymore. And once you get down to where you push it down, it's not going to exactly look perfectly left and right. So that's it. That's pretty much all the shrinking you've got on the bottom part. Now it doesn't look like it's done, but here in a second we'll flatten it out so you see it will lay flat. The reason I do this is I don't have any pressure points down there close to the bottom. Sometimes you've got to apply film with some pressure points. But if you don't have to, then don't do it. So, I think the hardest part of this window is just the size. The shrinking is actually not bad at all. Now you can sit here and push these all the way down. You don't have to push that all the way down. But that's pretty much it. All of that'll push right on out. It'll just be an easier install. Again, older, whatever body style this is, I think this is like mid-90s, 94, 95, 96, 97. The Caprices are like this. Make your H pattern really, really high. In any case, hope that helps. See you later.